So Strata is officially reached its 1-year anniversary. In its first year, Strata has grown from 14 collections all the way up to 36 collections. So we've held true to the promise of delivering new monthly releases and increasing the value of Strata overall. Strata has over 47,000 sound effects in it currently, and just over 550 total Reaper projects. So it's massive. For year 2, we're going to be announcing some new partners, and we'll be delivering over 12 new collections for the second year as well. Let's take a few minutes to highlight some of the really incredible work done by the recordists and sound designers, and I'll show you some in-game design examples. Also, what the sounds look like inside of the Strata Reaper project. Cool. So my personal experience over the last year using Strata is not only is it substantial value, and of course you get a extremely high amount of content in terms of files and sounds, but also it's highly accessible. Material is meticulously organized with special attention given to the context, how they might be used for game sound design. That's all for now. If you like some of the design examples, you can go and take a look at all the collection reviews over the last year, and you can see a little bit more context of how I use Strata for each collection release. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and go ahead and check out Strata. Download the demo if you haven't already.